Hi, Olivia. Olivia. Oh, Olivia's cute. She's the cutest baby. I think sooner she could be grown up like me. Like you made me born.
Can you talk for us, Livy? Can you say ah?
Come on, Olivia, you can do better than that.
Can you talk some more?
Come on, talk like you're cute, Mommy. I know, Sticky. Oh, you're covered in tractor stickers, aren't you? These are my tractor stickers. Look, Mommy. Dewey's covered in stickers.
You really are, aren't you?